that's an Uber thing. You can't do that with nobody else.
Hello, come in. My voice sounds like I'm in Holland. Welcome to our room. We're at the Cosmopolitan. We're on the 45th floor. So let's go. Come on. We're gonna do a room tour. So this is the little dining area. So right here, I've already brought our bags in. So let me turn the lights on.
Ooh.
This is the little dining area. Then over here is like a little mini bar, in-room dining. This is the area that you don't touch because they have Pringles for $35, okay? So don't touch that. What's under here? Have a mini fridge. This is the fridge that you just touched.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, here's a little mini fridge. I'm having to play with you. Then they have a tablet here where you can look at the weather and do you control anything?
Mm-hmm. You can make reservations and stuff and all that.
From the other side.
Yeah.
And what's over here?
I think that's.
I'll put this sandwich down. Okay, this is a little mini bar with a little Grey Goose and stuff. Everything right here is gonna be $40 for a mini bottle. So you don't touch that either unless you wanna pay 5 times the amount you would in the store. Okay. So is there anything under here? Y'all don't talk about me. I'm still trying to eat my this is storage space. Trying to eat this cold breakfast from this one. Okay, then you have little ice and little cups, little ice trays. Okay, come on over. We're gonna
Yeah.
okay. This is the living room. So it's so comfortable, like so comfy and cute. I can't talk, I got food in my mouth. But I love these little marble tables. Isn't it cute? You like these tables?
Yeah, I like them. They're cute.
Okay.
Especially this one.
I love these little pillows, how they got it color coordinated. Okay, we see you, Cosmopolitan. Before we go outside, we're gonna finish the room.
Lee, say the best for last.
Oh, don't we have a TV?
Yeah.
On both sides. We have a large TV here. I don't know how many inches this is.
It looks like about
72?
about a 60.
60? Okay.
Yeah, that's about a 60.
So we have a TV here. And we have another TV in the bedroom. And we
Open
have
those
another
curtains a
entrance
little
here for the terrace. Open these curtains?
Yeah, so I can, more light can come in. Oh.
Well, there's no window back here.
Yeah, that's what I said. Oh.
Okay, hold on. Here's the window. It feels good. It's hot here in Vegas. What? What?
The buttons are for that.
Oh, yeah. It says these are the lights for the bed. Here's something. What is it?
That's the light switch right here. No, you have to press the bedroom.
I think this is a fan somewhere.
It may be.
I hear it. Okay, so let's look at the closet. Ooh. Ooh. Ooh, this is so cute. I love the art on the walls. Like, I love pink.
You've always loved pink your whole life.
And you have 2 rows in the closet.
Because who doesn't like a hotel robe?
Okay. And there's plenty of space, you guys, with your little iron and stuff. This is nice.
Yeah, we may not have to stay here like a whole week.
Okay.
Just look at this bathroom.
Now you have to show them this mirror.
Yeah, because that's bussin'.
The mirror is to die for.
That's bussin'.
The mirror is to die for. Like, with the little light right here, it's getting you right, getting you tight. Okay. What's right here?
You can't go in there. I don't know what it is.
Okay. So, to the bathroom. Here's a little garden tub. Is this like a Japanese tub or is this actually just a garden tub?
I'm not even gonna lie to you.
The other one I saw, it was more square, and they said that one was the Japanese tub. But I think this is just the I said garden tub because I'm not sure. I'm not sure if that one is Japanese or not. And then here's the little towel area and the his and hers sink.
But in our case, hers and
Hers
hers.
and hers. Okay, it's a hers and hers thing. With the ring lights in the mirror. I'm gonna cut that out. Okay, so hers and hers with the ring lights in the mirror. I love that. And then you also can pull out this mirror here. Can you see?
Are you gonna do montages?
And it has
You know how to do montage?
not really. I have to practice more. Okay, and then you have the ring light on this mirror.
Oh, do you? Let us see that again. Ooh, nice.
When we're doing our makeup, we're gonna need that. So let's get into this shower.
Don't step right in. Take a seat.
Take a seat. Y'all, oh my God. Like to see this up close and personal and not just in the videos. It looks good.
Yes, it looks nice.
It looks good. Like I really want my nails like this wall. Look, oh my.
Oh, okay.
I love this shower.
Nice shower head.
You gotta get into the design.
Like, look at that.
That is so pretty. I'm not sure if the camera is giving it justice.
It's probably not. Never does.
Never does. Okay, so what else we have to do? Now, y'all, this is one of my favorites. Look at the art on the wall. I've been looking at this like, I love this.
It's pretty cool.
So, Come look at the light over the toilet. This is cute, y'all. This is cute.
Do your business with no interruptions.
Yes.
Nice tall
You
doors.
just close the door.
Yeah.
Just close the door and it's isolated.
So some nice tall doors.
Yeah. It's really nice. We're gonna be comfortable. Comfy for the next few days.
Yes.
What did we miss? You already know. So let's go to the terrace from the living room. I think we did everything else. Okay.
Are y'all ready?
Where the iconic view is. This is iconic, like. This is to die for. Look at the view. And right now the fountains are not on, but we will also get a view tonight. So we'll also get a view tonight. And you can see Caesar's Palace. You can see, what else can I see? A lot of different places, like Eiffel Tower. You can see a lot of different things. Like, yeah, we're gonna be taking so many pictures out here and like TikToks and stuff. Like, how much space we got? This is beautiful. You like it?
I love it. We can run a lap on this.
Okay, huh?
We can run a lap on this terrace.
Yeah. Girl, we can see the whole city up here. And it's not far from the airport.
No. And the strip is right there.
Can you see it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And the water fountain, of course, is right there.
It's gonna be beautiful once it's on. I already know.
Yeah, it's gonna be beautiful at nighttime.
This is like you live in a magazine or something. This is like so beautiful, like. Oh, you can see the pools and everything. So we was fresh off our flights and we literally ran through with the first clip and didn't do the second restroom. So here's a little clip inserted of the second restroom. It's here by the dining room, so you can see it's like right next to the dining table. But it's fully stocked with everything just like the first bathroom. It just doesn't have a tub, but it has a nice size mirror. Actually, this mirror is larger than the other mirror. A nice size shower.
And in here you enter through the room, the bedroom.
So you guys, I didn't see this part earlier.
Yeah.
So that's it for the room.